Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So OpenAI just released their new image model, which is ChatGPT Images 2.0. Now every image that you are currently seeing right now are made by Images 2.0. As you can see, it can create realistic images. It can create text images, which is currently better than the previous model. As you can see, it can create this type of infographics, and all the images that you are currently seeing right now are made by ChatGPT Images 2.0. I think Nanobanana is just got beaten by ChatGPT Images 2 model because people are going to use this model right now, because as you can see, it's really better than Nanobanana 2. So in this video, I'm going to show you how also you can use this for free, and I'm going to show you the power of this model, that which type of use cases you can use this. So there are some prompts and images they shared in their website. As you can see, this is just a UI screenshot created by GPT Image, and this is the prompt here, a screenshot of ChatGPT in your browser in Mac OS. All the browsers that you have are accurate, and this is really a screenshot of an operating system of Mac OS. This is a magazine collage image created by ChatGPT using this prompt. You can see you can create editorial magazine page with just simple prompt like this, and it will generate an image like this. The new model also have the languages capability, like you can create multi-language images, like you can use any other language. So as you can see, this is a comic panel, and this is using by Chinese language. This is the Indian bookstore, and all the text that you can see are correct because this is the language that I use. And photorealism is already good in the images previous model, but they upgraded the system. As you can see, these are some photorealistic images from 2000 flash photography style. Now look at this. This is a lecture hall photo, which really look like a realistic image, but you cannot tell that this is made by AI. And one of the cool thing is this image now can create manga panels or comic book size panels with accurate text. As you can see, this is another comics like a pastel style. This is like a modern indie comics style. And this is the prompt. As you can see, just a simple prompt, and this is the image you get from ChatGPT image model 2. And one of the cool thing is now this image also has the real world intelligence like Nanobanana Pro. Like you can upload stuff or tell stuff to realistic things from the information that you want to create images with. Like you can see, this is a Cantor diagonalization proof infographic, and you can see these are all the info that you can get from the real world knowledge, and as this is a color analysis images from this prompt. Also, you can upload any file and tell it to create a image from that, or any other infographic that you want to create, like this, like please make a landscape academic paper poster based on the uploaded PDF file, and it created this. Also, if you look at this image, this is image made by just a website link. Like search for the merchant OpenAI supply per website and make a professional poster displaying all their merchandise, and this is the image that OpenAI created. So yeah, you can see that GPT image really level up their game. So if you want to use this right now, you can already use this on the free version. Just come to your ChatGPT app or the web version of ChatGPT application that you have. Come to your account and just go to the plus section and just choose the create image. As you can see, the new model is already implemented in ChatGPT. So I'm just going to paste the prompt from the website to create this image here. See actually that can it create a replica version of the same image that they showed in the website. So I give the prompt and look at this. This is the image that I got, which is actually accurate from this image using the same prompt. Also, let me show you another thing that, so I just used the website links of this website and just told to create a high CTR YouTube thumbnail for me for this video. And as you can see, this created me this thumbnail in just 1 minute. So I'm going to use this thumbnail for this video, so you can understand how much powerful the GPT image model right now, because with just a simple prompt and just giving the link, I get this image. So yeah, this is the video. And currently, if you want to use the GPT model 2 on your free plan, you can only create 5 images per day, and after that you have to wait for 24 hours. But if you want to create more images, you have to get the plus. So get plus. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.